2013 Kia Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.